Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a method that I use to fix quickly my analog stick drift without opening up my controller. Now the first thing I do is I rotate my thumbstick to the right 30 times, just like this, and then I switch it up and I go to the left 30 times. Then I press in about 10 times, and I use a little bit more force than normal to press in. And then what I do after that is I lift up on the thumbstick, just like this, and it will pop up a few millimeters. And then you can press it down, and then do this about 10 times. And then the next step is probably the most important step. So I'm going to go ahead and get some compressed air, and I'm going to tilt the thumbstick to the left, and then I'm going to spray into the little gap in the opening on the thumbstick. And I'm going to blow in here and try to remove any kind of debris or dust that may be forming on top of the sensors on your sticks. Now let's take the thumbstick and move to the right and blow in this side. And then push it down, blow from this side, and then push it up and blow underneath. Now if you do not have any kind of compressed air like this, you could use your mouth and blow into this opening, this little gap on the side of the thumbsticks. And just blow in there. And you may notice that your stick drift is going to be fixed right away. This may not be a permanent solution, but it does help for a little while. Now another thing that you could try is simply resetting your controller. So if you flip it around, there's a small pinhole and you want to take a toothpick and you want to hold this down. So it goes right here. And then if you hold this down, the controller will turn off. Then you can simply try turning it back on and see if it reconnects. Now if you're having further issues, try disconnecting your controller from the PlayStation 5 and then reconnecting it. So we want to go up to settings and then select this right here and then go on down to where it says accessories. Then under general, let's go on over to Bluetooth accessories and then go to your currently connected controller, and we want to go to delete, and this will forget it from our PlayStation 5. So let's go to OK, and now my controller turned off, and if I try to turn it on, it's going to just blink and it's not going to sync up to my PlayStation. So we want to take a USB cable and reconnect it. So plug in a USB cable to the front USB slot and then plug in the controller. Press the PlayStation button once, and then you might have to press it again to just completely sync it. And then I can see player 1. And now we should be good to go. But hopefully this quick little method did indeed help you out with your stick drift. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next time. Your Six Studios.